Reviewing and approving a case design. When a design is ready for review, you will receive an automated email that, when clicked, will take you directly to your case approval, or you can navigate to the case via the Nexus portal homepage. Open the Requiring Action tab, select the relevant case. On the Case Overview section, scroll down to see the try-in component. The initial case design is for the try-in itself. Select Click Here to action. When opening the approval window in the chat section, the 3 approval button options will be visible. Do not click any of these until the design has been thoroughly reviewed. Click the HTML link. Review the design closely to see the changes implemented from the existing provisional scans. Adjust the various layer options on the left drop-down panel to change the transparency levels of each assembly item, or hide completely. Any questions related to the design or its review can be made in the case chat. After a detailed review, there are 3 options to continue with the case. 1. Request changes. Select this button if you are requesting significant adjustments to the design. A pop-up will appear for further input. The entire design will be rebuilt based on your new requests and data. You will receive a brand new design approval and repeat this process. Note that this could take up to 4 working days. 2. Approve with changes. Choose this option if there are minor changes necessary and you don't want to see another design approval. A pop-up window will appear for further input. The case will continue after design changes are made, and the try-in will be uploaded or dispatched. 3. Approve. It is critical to only select Approve if you have no changes to the design. Ensure to acknowledge the designer's note. You can use the chat to confirm your choice with a message. The try-in STL file will be uploaded in under 12 hours, if approved during office hours. 3D printed try-ins will be dispatched from your local Osteon facility within 48 hours. Await the file or 3D printed try-in to test with your patient during the next appointment.